Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to install Android apps on Windows 11. Tutorial is in the background as it usually is, but I had a couple of issues after playing with it, uninstalling it, not having it work correctly, not reinstalling right, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, this is the official way to install Android apps on Windows 11, and it's actually pretty easy. All you need to do is go to the Amazon App Store and install it, and it does everything for you. However, there are some requirements. Currently, at the end of October, you have to be running the Windows Insider Beta, or you're going to need to wait, hopefully next month, November, December. You need 8 gigs of RAM. You really probably should have 16 gigs of RAM. Hardware virtualization must be enabled. You may need to reboot and enable Intel VTX or AMD-V for AMD chipsets. And if you're not sure, you can press Control-Shift-Escape. Click on the Performance tab. And as you can see here, virtualization is enabled, meaning I am good to go. So, I've played around, as I mentioned, a couple of times, rebooted. I may have to finish the tutorial with screenshots and showing you how it works. But if you check the video description for a link to this tutorial, or look for the eye up here, click it once, click it again, it'll bring you to here, and click this link, or open the Microsoft Store, start, everything, all apps, Microsoft Store, and then search for the Amazon App Store there, or click this link, which will pop this window up, and you can open it, and there is your Amazon App Store. So as you can see, we're going to click on Install, followed by Setup. It should take a few minutes to download. If this downloads in a matter of seconds, I know it's not working right still. You can uncheck optional diagnostic data if you like, and click Download. And let's see what it does. Well, I might have got it right this time. I doubt it. It's probably not going to work right. Oh, it's working. Wow, look at me. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to open the Amazon App Store. Or you may have to restart to do that. So as you can see, I'm working here, but when I click open, nothing works. So I'm going to finish the tutorial with the guide, which is fine because, as I mentioned, it is a beta. So keep that in mind. So once you get through all of that, you're going to have to restart your computer. After the download's done, click next, restart. When your computer reboots, close all your apps, of course. And you're going to see this pop up. You don't have to do anything with your computer. This window will pop up. It only takes a minute or two. And the Windows subsystem for Android is installed. Log into your Amazon account after that. That's it. You're done. Create an account. Log into your account. And now you can download, browse, install games from the store, very similar to the way the Microsoft Store works. So in other words, you click Get, and then download. Or if you want to see more details, you can click View App Details or click the picture to get to the app, and you'll see this with a description, details, release notes, customer reviews, and of course the install button. And once you click that, you can play the game in your Amazon App Store. When you're done, I wonder if it'll work for me now, you click Start, and you'll see Amazon App Store in your list. And as you can see, once again, it says I've installed it, but it's not there. So I would say to you, the only thing I learned from this is don't uninstall it, because it doesn't seem to want to work after I uninstalled it. So I'd run it in my virtual machine, which would make life easier, but the virtualization isn't working over there as mentioned here, because you have to make sure that your BIOS has those enabled. So there you have it. It's nothing really exciting right now, but again, having to be a beta tester doesn't make it any simpler. But at least I can show you how to do it, because at the end of the day, when this comes out final for everybody, where everybody can get it, all you got to do is go to the Amazon, download Amazon App Store, click a couple of things, and you're running Android apps on your Windows 11 computer. And there you have it. Pretty easy to do. Sorry I couldn't actually finish it out and show you physically how this works with a reboot and everything, but I just want to give you an idea how it works, and I think we got that done. There you have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching as always. See ya.